doing, bro?
This is nigga's birthday. We finna go eat.
Oh, where? Oh, it's your birthday, bro?
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Brody.
Yeah.
Stay safe, bro.
What you doing later?
Chilling, bro. We gonna be here, bro. Yo, that nigga about to fly.
No, he got a house check.
Yo, he's wildin', bro. Boy, if you don't stop. Yo, my man. Yo. I don't even know what the
That's what's going on right now.
I don't give a
Crazy on them Cali
Low boys. Leaving the tuners invade me, and we got a little bit stuck. It's not even your whole. It's not his whole suffering. It's just that side.
Hey, Corey, hold on. Hold everything.
I'm about to push too.
Oh, you about to push too?
Just stands at the curb with him, but. Get my cardio. Let me get my cardio real quick. Hold up. Hold up. Ew. Stop playing with me. Oh. Watch out. Then he almost got smacked. Who's it, Jay?
Yeah,
How's your day going? You might be in on camera.
Hello.
Why you started this?
Y'all have lights though, bro. I don't have that. I had to do something different, so I wrapped the car.
I don't got a bad shit. You got a bad. What the f, man? I don't even have enough leverage for this shit to go up. It won't go up. Nothing. Yo. Drove it on wood. Pause. Jacked it up on that side. Still can't fit the fucking jacket. This shit gonna be tight. Alright, bro. What the fuck am I supposed to do?
You're not going enough pump to create compression, bro.
Talking about pump, nigga. I got all the pump, nigga.
I gotta change mine too. That's crazy. Mine doesn't even have any rubber left.
They got me slaving in my J's, bro. What's going on?
Bro, I know my shit.
Oh! Hey! Mr. Money. Money guy. Yo.
Yo, why is he turning now?
It's a regular day, bro.
Regular day.
Bro, if we call half the shit we do on camera, bro. Oh, that's tight. Wait.
You know what I'm saying? We just
Bitch.
your hand here, so. Don't ever make that face again. He doesn't want to walk back inside the garage. It's not hard. Pause.
Pause.
I just saved you. Yeah. Yeah,
you finally saved me.
Alright.
You ain't saved yourself.
Alright. You ain't even have to go there.
Outside. I don't feel like doing this anymore. I've only been doing it for like 3 minutes.
Yeah, that's why I don't touch my car no more.
Squiggly extension.
Oh.
Pause. Yo, you know what I'm talking about, bro. The shit that bend.
Just need one that straight, bro. Go get one that straight, man.
Unlike
That's it, bro.
it's just too fucking easy, bro. It's too fucking easy at this point.
Yeah, but you could have did that.
It's too
You
fucking
could have
easy at
did
this
that
point,
before
bro.
everything.
You fucking mechanic. Oh.
Hot, bro.
And with the hoodie on too, like. You're wildin', bro. Got jeans on too, bro.
The sun doesn't stop how you look.
Hold on. Where the f were you? Where did you go? Why you got jeans on, bro? Why you got jeans and the whole fit on? Where did Air Maxes come from, bro? Like day, bro. Like day, alright.
By the time you edit this, he's gonna reveal it already. Jeez. YouTube, this is the man.
Stay in school, kids. You might get this too when you grow up, man.
He wanted to match his car a little bit, you feel me?
I'm not gonna lie, that bill was good for the photos, bro.
Oh my god, that bitch
I'm
so
not gonna lie, bro.
clean.
Oh, we came out from front. A whole bunch of people. They was just gathering around, taking flicks and shit.
Came through. I seen everybody like flicking up.
No.
Oh my god, it's the bag Mac. She took a picture?
She took the picture. She was like, "Oh, this is going on Instagram." I said, "Oh, I didn't even reveal my car yet." She said,
Revealed your car for you?
"Yeah." She said straight up.
Yeah, G shit. Got the chest out chain on.
No cap.
No cap. Mr. 1 fit, Mr. 2 fit, and Mr. 3 fit, bro. What's going on today, bro? I got the toe.
Hasport Motor Mouth. Oh, my address. We'll package this shit up good. Came with a little sticker, you know what I'm saying? Take beautiful. It's the new one. 78 upper pitch mount. Why you walk further away, bro? Like garbage, bro, compared to the new one.
One nigga gonna park up VIP for the somebody to pull. Why? Like, why motor mounts, bro?
Going crazy.
The gap is closed.
Yeah. Going crazy right now. Wait, roll on the boat.
Almost there,
Roll on
bro.
the boat.
You look like you just played a basketball game, bro. Good?
Why you breathing like this?
Honda's whooping his ass. Yeah, that's tight.
It's older. Shit, that's it. This is the back piece, yeah.
All right. And we're out. It does feel different. I feel it. It's more solid to the car.
Oh, you feel? Well, that was me. Just a little light pole.
Yeah. Nah, it's way more torquey, bro.
Oh my god, the bird almost hit you, man. You saw that shit? Yo! Dumbass, yo. You're trying to die. What the f? Why are you driving like that?
My chest is still down the street.
Get this shit back on the dyno, bro.
Yo, my chest is still down the street, bro. Oh my god. Felt every gear pull. Every gear pull.
That shit felt
You
good.
you feel the torquiness. So as soon as you press on the gas,
Feel it. Like, it's not like f***ing around. That feels good.
They make it active. I'm addicted to flashing and fashion.
Yo, big problems, bro. You see this shit? I ain't never seen this.
yo,